on some Apple iPhones. Now we're getting the Always-On Display feature. What this means is that if you're locking your phone, sometimes here you can see the time, and here you can see the wallpaper, etc. Sometimes in Always-On Display, in the wallpaper, there will be a blur. If you want to remove that blur, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to do that. For this, open Settings. When you're opening Settings and scrolling down, you can see one option, Display Brightness. Click on Display Brightness, and after that, scroll down, and here you can see Always On Display. Click on this. And here, sometimes this Always On Display will be off. And if this Always On Display feature is turned off, just turn this on. After that, under Customize, you can see Show Wallpaper. It'll be turned on, and under that, you can see one more option, Blur Wallpaper Photo. If it's turned on, what you need to do is just turn this off. After that, you can't see that blur in the wallpaper in Always On Display. So, this way, you can easily remove wallpaper blur from Always On Display on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.